Good afternoon, children. Today we are discussing continuation, direct, indirect speech or reported speech. Today we are changing imperative sentences into indirect speech or reported speech. Actually, what is imperative sentence? An imperative sentence which express sudden feelings, sudden or strong feelings or emotional feelings that denotes as imperative sentences. In this sentence, in imperative sentence, in the given sentence, subject won't be there. They don't give subject in the given sentence. And still some more identifications here. In imperative sentence, we can see command or order, suggestion or advice and request, like this. These we can find there in imperative sentence. So for example, see that the stranger said to me, first one, the stranger said to me, command punishment begin, please help me. Full stop and quotation mark closed. Here if you see that in the given direct clause or reported clause, if you see that there is no subject. There is no subject. So like this only we can see that. Still, if we come to reporting clause, here this is the subject, we can write as it is. The stranger. Here said to can change it into based on this command, please. So set to reporting verb can be changed based on this please. So here we can write please can be written as requested. And reporting object me we can write as please. The stranger requested me to connect these two clauses. Instead of that, we can write preposition to connect these two clauses. So while changing this imperative sentence into indirect speech, the stranger requested me to help. The stranger requested me to help him. Here me is based on the reporting subject. It can be changed. Based on the reporting subject, it will be changed. Clear? So like this, we can write. Once again, you see here, subject as it is, we can write. Here, set to reporting verb can be written based on the here please. So this please can be written as requested. To connect these two clauses, we can use the connector or conjunction TO2 instead of that. Clear? And one more example, we will see that the clerk said to the officer, the clerk said to the officer, quotation marks begin, kindly grant me leave for the, kindly grant me leave for 3 days. Leave for 3 days. Full stop and quotation mark closed here. So if you see that, what is the subject we had? The clerk. And set to, already I told you, based on this expression, kindly. So what it denotes as kindly means here request only. This is also. Then requested the officer, the clerk requested the officer to connect these two clauses. Which connector is suitable or apt? Preposition to is suitable. Requested the officer to grant. Here me can be changed on reporting subject the clerk. The clerk requested the officers to grant him leave for 3 days. At the end we have to put full stop. Have clear? One more example we see that. The office said to the clerk, the officer said to the clerk, do it immediately. Do it immediately. Full stop and quotation mark close. So if you see here, what is the subject we had? The officer. The speaker is officer here. Speaker is officer. Said to, here based on this command or based on this man, officer is a superior. So whatever the superior is giving in the society or whatever the superior is giving to us, that we can write as order or command. So like this, here said to becomes ordered. Ordered. The officer ordered the clerk to do it immediately. Here one more important note is that while changing imperative sentence into indirect speech, we must not change it into its corresponding tense, because here in imperative sentence it denotes as command or order, suggestion or advice, request. That cannot be changed into, command cannot be changed into indirect, its corresponding tense. So that's what we must not change present tense into past tense into past perfect tense when they have given imperative sentences. In imperative sentence, what it will be there? Command or order, suggestion, advice or request, suggestion or advice, request, like this it denotes us. So this is the way we need to do that. First we have to write the subject, and based on the speaker reporting verb will be changed. Here the officer denotes a superior. When superior has given or said to anything, that can be changed as ordered or command. When the subordinate, clerk is a subordinate. Clerk is a subordinate. When the subordinate said, that we can write as a requested. Or when some stranger came to us to please show me the way to the railway station. So he is a stranger. What he will say? He will request, he cannot command us. So that's what we can say when strangers speak or when strangers expressed, that reporting verb can be written as requested. Have clear? So please, when they given please or kindly, that can be written as requested. Have clear? When the officer, the speaker is officer, if you say anything, that can be written as a reporting verb as ordered. Have clear? One more example we will see that. The teacher said to the children, the teacher said to the children, the teacher said to the children, work hard, work hard. Full stop and put a close here. So what is the subject we had here? The teacher. That can be written as teach. Said to. What can be written? The teacher said to the children. That can be written as advised. The teacher advised the children. Advised the children. What? To connect these two clauses, what connection? Connector we can use it. What conjunction we can use it? To work hard. To work hard. At the end we can put full stop. How clear? And one more example we will see that. The judge said, call the witness. Call the witness. Full stop and put a mark close here. Here this judge denotes as superior. But it is superior. So the subject can be written as it is without change. This said can be written as commanded or ordered. The judge ordered. Whom he will order is a subordinate. So the judge ordered to call the witness. To call the witness. Full stop at end we have to put it. How clear? One more example, we'll see that. The captain said, attack the enemies. Attack the enemies. Full stop and put a mark close here. Here, what is the subject we had? Reporting subject, the captain. That can be written as is. The captain. Here, said can be written as what? Here, whenever the superior said, that we can write order or command. The captain commanded. Whom did he commanded? His subordinates or his soldiers. The captain commanded. To connect these two clauses, what we have to do? We have to use connector or conjunction TO2 preposition to attack the enemies. At the end we have to put full stop like this. One more example. Raghu said to Radha, comma, quotation marks begin. Shall we go to park? Shall we go to park the next Sunday? Next Sunday. Full stop and quotation mark close here. Have clear? See that While changing it into reported speech, subject we can write as it is Raghu. Said to Radha. This denotes us based on the speaker. These both are friends, or these both are classmates, or these both are familiar person, or these both are brother and sister, like that. So, according to this, we can write said to as suggested or advised. Raghu suggested Radha uh, that they should go to that day. We means these both Raghu and Radha. So we becomes based on that speaker and listener. That becomes they. Shall becomes should go to park for the following Sunday or coming Sunday. At end we have to put full stop. Are clear? This is the way we need to write direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech. Are clear? Still one more model we had, that we will have tomorrow. Are clear? Thank you.